All right, she's boiling. Here we go. Have to set this down for a sec. Ooh, little steamy there. So we just had a chickadee and a robin trying to get into the bird bath. And as you can see, it's frozen solid. Frozen solid. So, let's see if we can thaw her out a bit. Well, here goes nothing. Yeah, there we go. There we go, folks. A little bit of ice, ice, baby. Now our bird friends can get a little water. And I know we have the Willow River right over here. This is a nice safe spot to get some water. It's close to the feeders. And man, the birds are super active today. Super active. So there we go. Now they can get some water in peace and safety.